In this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from Crypto.com. I'll show you both ways, withdrawing crypto to another wallet and withdrawing money straight to your bank account. So the first one that most people want to do is withdraw money to their bank account. To do that, go to open Crypto.com and just head over to accounts in the bottom. From here, first you need to have your money in a fiat currency like euro, dollar or pound. If you don't have that yet, just open up a cryptocurrency, then click trade and go and sell that for cash. After doing that, open up your euro account or dollar or pound, and from there what you can do is click withdrawal. Then here you can choose how much you want to withdraw. There is a minimum of 80 euros. So if you're below that, go and sell some more crypto, or if you don't have any more, you'll need to deposit some money and then withdraw the full amount, which is over 80 euros. Then where it says to, right now it's my Revolut Bank. Now how this gets linked is when you make a deposit from your bank account, it automatically links it so that you can then also withdraw from it. Meaning, if you want to withdraw to a different bank account, you will need to first make a small deposit from that bank account in order to connect it to withdraw the money. So depositing money from a bank does take 1 to 2 business days usually, and you need to do a minimum of €1. So from there you can select the bank account. Then if you have more than 80 euros, just gonna click withdraw. If you have 2FA set up, enter the 2FA code and then just confirm it, and it will be on its way to your bank account. So that's method 1. The second way to withdraw money is by withdrawing crypto to a different wallet or exchange. To do that, you want to go and open up a cryptocurrency that you own, like Bitcoin here, and then click withdraw. Then select where you want to withdraw it to, for example an external wallet, and then click plus in the top right in order to connect that external wallet. So select wallet address and here just connect that wallet address. But for example, I'll select my Phantom Bitcoin wallet and then click confirm and withdraw. Then just choose how much you want to withdraw. And from there click withdraw, again enter a 2FA code if you have that set up, and then the money will be on its way to that exchange or wallet. So those are the 2 ways to withdraw money from Crypto.com. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.